Today I'm going to be solving an angle problem, finding the measure of angle B given the value for angle A. So I think before I solve this problem, I think it's good to talk about first what exactly is an angle and how can we go use that to sort of solve this problem. So let's take a look here. So let's make this a bit bigger. So an angle, or you know what, I don't really like text, let's make this simpler. I like to start out by just drawing a simple plus sign. An angle is the space between two lines. So this would be the angle. And angles are measured in something we call degrees, or simple as, how do I do the, I'm not really sure. Yeah, simple, it's just degrees. Wow, this text box is massive. The unit, if I set something at 90 degrees, would be 90, and then we don't write this whole word degrees out. We just put like a tiny hole at the top right for, I don't know why this was what it was used, why we use this for it, but that's what we did. So yeah, in this case, as you may have guessed, the angle or the space between two lines that are like in a plus is 90. Now, with angles, you can divide them in half. So if I divide this in half, we get 45, because 90 divided by 2 is 45. So what we learned is this angle, this portion from here, it's called a right angle. This is 90 degrees. If we take half of this, we get 45 degrees. And another thing you may have guessed is we can also multiply the angle by 2. This would mean this line, this space will go bigger. So we double that space, we actually get a pretty cool straight line. Think of this line as being like, this is the original. We sort of moved it here. And now this is 180 degrees. We can also add angles together, and we can subtract angles from one another. So now we sort of have enough information to like solve this problem. We know A is 135 degrees. So we know a straight line, they even tell us in the problem, 0 to 90 to 180 is 180 degrees. So to get B, we can actually just do 180 like how we had before. This is 180 minus this angle A. This is 180. This is 135. So if I take this and subtract 135, do the math, you get 45. And to visualize that, it's almost like this line, it's a little, this tiny little space right here. Like if I go back to here, this is what's 45. We took this whole angle, the 180 angle, and subtracted 135, and we got this little guy, 45. So our answer is just 45. Hope that makes sense. Thanks for watching. I just want to spice these up because I know math can be boring. I mean, I liked it, but like, I remember what it was like listening in class. So if you guys want me to spice this up, I definitely add some more effects. Just gotta let me know in the comments. Thank you.